Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everybody, how are you today? That's great. My name is Vinny Vici. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. Please take a look at our vocabulary school at hellobabyenglish.com. We also have a YouTube channel and a Telegram channel. They are called Hello Baby English. Okay, it is game time. And today we're doing adjectives. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. And in this game, words number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 all have another meaning in our program. But in this game, we will only be doing the adjectives. Let's begin. Number 1. This water is not hot. It is. It is cold. Bob's dog is not friendly at all. It is. It is mean. It is a mean dog. He won't take the late bus. He'll take the one. The early one. No one is in the room with Bob. He is. He is alone. And sometimes we say he is all alone. In grammar, this is a sentence. For example, if you do that, then she will not do that. A conditional sentence. For example, if Bob comes to the party, then we will be happy. Their mother will cut the pizza into 6 pieces. This means the pieces will all be the same size. Six equal pieces. We also say 6 equal -sized pieces. They are highly teachers. This means many people like them and admire them. They probably have a lot of experience. They are highly respected teachers. Is Jennifer in her office now, or is she? Or is she away? She is away now kind of implies that she's on holiday. But she could just be outside also and not here. The storm was very destructive. It was. It was catastrophic. From the noun catastrophe. Bob hasn't drunk any alcohol today. He is. He is sober. Bye-bye.